In this video, I'm going to talk about how I created an image that felt like it was lit by the daylight, but really isn't. So I'm Daniel Norton, photographer here in New York. I make videos like this one. I make videos about philosophy and gear sometimes, but this is going to be about how I made this portrait and why. So here I am out on my balcony. People who have watched videos know that I have a balcony. Sometimes I get the comments, be careful. And if I was to not use any light here at all, what you would get was the front of her, the left side of her would be lit, as would the balcony behind. That's all lit by the sun. Now, because the sky is bright, some people might think, well, hold on, isn't the sun over there? But no, this shot's taken kind of on a cloudy day, like it's not midday, but it's like afternoon. And the sun is creating a beautiful soft light coming from one direction. But she has amazing red hair. And I did not want to lose that by just using a reflector to fill in or something. So I took my dado light, which is a tungsten light, so a warm light, and a constant light. I brought it out and I shot it towards the back of her head, basically to give her that hair light, letting it wrap around so it hit all of her hair, including the hair that's on the camera left. And I also let it just kind of gradually wrap around her arm. You can see the edge of a highlight there, the bottom of her dress. It's just enough to pull her out. So when you first look at this image, you think because you have that light balcony, the stone reflecting behind her, it makes you think the sun's over there and setting. But if that was the case, how would I have light on her face? If you know my studio, I would have to be flying to get the light out there, or the light would anyways. So sometimes we need to look at what's in nature and how we want it to feel and how we want it to look, and we need to adjust it to create the image that when the viewer sees it, they see what we want and not the ugly natural light that actually exists. I'll put a link to the dado light down in the show notes if you'd like to see exactly what that light is. There's also going to be a link to my Patreon and Discord so you can support the channel and come chat if you'd like. If you don't mind liking the video and subscribing to the channel, that would be fantastic. Go ahead and ring the bell if you want to get notifications for more of these videos, and I'll talk to you soon.